Hey, welcome back, Buckeye Nation, to your Caribou Data Science channel. And I realize we had a tough loss Saturday, but you know what? The Bucks will bounce back. We've seen this early season slip ups before, and the Bucks always manage to come back and put themselves into the hunt for the national championship. Okay, so it remains to be seen exactly what's really going on. Okay, so anyway, back to the subject at hand. First of all, I want to say this about the vaccines before we get started. Get vaccinated. There's two reasons you will get vaccinated. One, it'll reduce the severity of the disease, and two, it'll reduce the chance that you'll die from the COVID-19. Okay, and of course, get the booster shots. Okay, I mean, But anyway, that being said, there's a couple other things we need to say about the numbers for Ohio. That is that back in February 2021, the governor's office came out and said, "Oops, we undercounted deaths in the fourth quarter of 2020 by close to 4,000." Now, what's interesting is they didn't seem to have any trouble counting COVID-19 cases for the same period of time. Okay? And secondly, what they did, they took the missing 4,000 numbers and added them on to February 11th, 12th, and 13th of 2021. And later on, in further in the year, they, they stopped recording data. They stopped recording cases. What you can see is they stopped. Okay. Hang on a second. I'll help you out just a minute. I'll help you out in just a moment. Okay. So this is what we can see here. They stopped recording deaths 7 days a week, but they continue to record cases 7 days a week. I'm sorry. That is not acceptable. That is ridiculous. How can you continue to count cases but not deaths 7 days a week? What a bunch of crap. What a bunch of crap from the governor's office. Okay, I'm sorry. But anyway, let's get on with the show now. So now you see our two problems, okay? So what's the solution? Well, the solution, of course, is to don't place too much emphasis on daily deaths. Instead, focus more on the weekly and the monthly numbers, okay? But this is what the raw numbers look like, okay? With the added 4,000 numbers. Now, what we do is replace those three numbers with the average number of deaths for these 3 days. Okay, then we come down to here. This is daily deaths, but just with the 7-day moving average on top. Notice the kind of choppiness. This is probably due to the missing dates. Okay, you can see we had a declining number of deaths all the way down to mid-July, and now the deaths in Ohio are starting to climb back up. Okay, a few summary statistics. This is just the weekly numbers here. We can pretty much we can ignore this because there isn't any numbers there. Okay, these are the missing numbers. But you can see we did have a long declining pattern in July, then it went back up. What else? What about cases here? Well, here you can see some cases here. Again, the cases are increasing. Okay, beginning in July. Summary statistics. What's this? This is death just using a different fitted curve here, and these are weekly cases. Okay, so so you can see here how we had a long declining pattern in cases up until July. Now all of a sudden, we spiked here, it looks like. All right. So anyway, Buckeye Nation, that does conclude your report for today. Hey, thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, the uh, the share button, and the like button. Okay. Thanks so much, Buckeye Nation. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.